When you think about showing decimal places, we think a lot about significant figures. When we take measurements in the lab, we should record all numbers to the appropriate significant figures because that represents the precision of the measurement. So in this case, absorbance measurements, the instrument, the UV-Vis or the colorimeter, has 4 decimal places that it will read to. So there are 4 or 5 significant figures depending on whether you're over 1 or not. Most of the numbers then here that only have 3 significant figures showing should be 0.7760. But you'll notice if I type that in, Excel or Sheets will automatically drop that last 0. Now this is just a formatting issue. It doesn't impact the calculations at all, but we know that we should be recording in our lab notebook or in our digital lab notebooks to appropriate significant figures. So in order to show that extra decimal place, that 0, I'm going to go up here to the toolbar and I'm going to use this increase decimal places tool. So if I click on that, it's going to increase the number of decimal places that I see. Now I can do that with each one individually, or I can select a whole data block and say show more, or I can show less. Same thing over here with our scientific notation. I can show more significant figures because trailing zeros are significant, or I can show fewer. I'm going to do the same thing down here, make sure that I have all of the significant figures that are necessary.